everyone, today we would like to introduce two of our AC EV chargers. As you can see, they have a simple and elegant design with a 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen equipped. The size of LCD can also be tailored to your needs. The casing is made from high-strength, durable materials that can withstand various outdoor conditions for long-lasting use. We offer universal connectors, which include Type 1, Type 2, and GBT. They meet international certifications like CE and comply with the latest OCPP protocol to ensure safe and reliable charging. These smart home EV chargers are perfect for home garage, shopping malls, office buildings, hotels, and other public locations. They have flexible installation options, making it easy to connect to existing power systems. With power options ranging from 7 kW to 22 kW, you can choose 7 kW for slower home charging to save on electricity costs. The 22 kW option is ideal for commercial fast charging. Using these chargers is straightforward. Just insert the connector and use the RFID card or scan the QR code, and then it will begin the charging. The LCD screen shows the charging status in real time. With a built-in smart system, you can connect via a mobile app, set charging time, and control the chargers remotely. Our chargers comes with multiple safety features. These include over-temperature protection, lighting protection, leakage protection, and short-circuit protection, ensuring the safety of both the equipment and vehicles. We offer full technical support and after-sales service to ensure that you can use our chargers without any worries. With our professional chargers and convenient service, you can enjoy a convenient, intelligent, and safe charging solution.